Ladies and gentlemen, the air blowing over a jumper's body helps him to perform control maneuvers, and he can change his body position and profile to drop a loop, roll forward and back in seconds.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, coming right in front of you on ground is JW DPS Chauhan. He is carrying the stripes, the beautiful tricolour stripes. And third to land is Sergeant Anil. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for JW GPS Chauhan and Sergeant Anil. The fourth trooper coming in front of you is JWS Naga. Once again carrying the beautiful stripes. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause, JWS Naga.